Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by choosing the clips you actually need, then set a timeline that matches your final frame rate. This prevents judder. Once done, drop the high frame rate clip into that timeline and slow it to your target playback speed, for example, half speed or 1/4, so you retain temporal data. Make sure to trim unnecessary frames before heavy processing. It reduces render time and keeps the motion curves clean, which you'll need for smoother optical flow later. Next, apply frame interpolation, optical flow, to generate intermediate frames and avoid choppy results. You should increase algorithm quality if your software allows it, because better motion vectors equal smoother motion. However, that costs render time. Once applied, refine interpolation by isolating motion with masks or tracking. This prevents background smearing. Also use gradual speed ramps rather than abrupt cuts, because easing in and out hides micro artifacts and keeps action feeling natural and continuous. Finally, stabilize the slow footage after interpolation, because motion synthesis can introduce jitter. Crop or use warp stabilize to fix edges. Then add selective sharpening and a subtle motion blur. This helps the eye accept generated frames by recreating natural exposure blur. Export a short test clip at final codec and watch at full speed. If you see warping or ghosting, reduce interpolation strength or switch to frame blending for problem sections. If persistent, reshoot at a higher FPS where possible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.